April Davis here with April Davis Creations. Welcome to my 12-day series on this amazing Advent calendar. It's a 12 days of crafting Advent calendar partnered with the 12 days of crafting Advent calendar stamps. I highlighted the stamps in day 1. This is day 2. And what we're doing each day is I'm going to open up one of the doors. And today's day 2, so we'll open up the doors to see what's behind door 2, and we'll talk a little bit about what's behind that door, and then I will also share with you a project that I created utilizing what's behind the door. So if we open this up, we find that we have designer series paper. So let me pull this out. You can tell that I've already been creating with it, but I'm going to go ahead and open this up so I can give you a better look at what this paper looks like. All of the items in the Advent calendar are very springy. It's a Christmas Advent calendar, but everything that's in it is more springy. So check out how pretty this paper is. Now, it's only one-sided, but you get several sheets of each one. Here's some green. Let me just lift this up so you can see. Some white flowers with yellow centers. We've got some pink. It's kind of a wash. Look at these daisies, white and blue daisies. How pretty is that? And then we've got some paper that is like white leaves. And then we've got some pink and blue, green. Here's some more of the white daisies. And then you can tell I've been creating with this. And I save all of my scraps. So basically what happens is once I do this with my 12 by 12 sheets and my 6 by 6 sheets, everything. I keep them in their packaging. I've got little folders for them. And then that way, when I get ready to create again, I've got all my scraps together because sometimes I don't need the full sheet, right? So let me get this put back in quickly, and then I'm going to show you the card that I created for this particular day 2 designer series paper. So I'm going to bring in the card. This is Big Thanks. I utilized this stamp set, Big Thanks, and then I also utilized the dies that we had that behind door number 1 yesterday. So I've utilized the dies, I've utilized the paper, I've utilized the stamps. All of this information is on a tutorial that I have created specifically for the 12 Days of Crafting Advent Calendar. You can receive the tutorial for free with all 12 projects when you purchase the Advent Calendar through my online store, and you can get to that through aprildaviscreations.com. If you already have the Advent Calendar and you're just looking for some new creations, then you can actually go to aprildaviscreations.com, go to my shop tab, and you can shop PDFs, and the PDF is there for you to purchase if you're interested. So this is the paper was behind door number 2, and this is the card that was created. Big thanks, and I will see you tomorrow for door number 3.